Hey everyone! If you're on the hunt for cool stuff, whether it's gadgets, fashion, or home decor, but don't want to break the bank, you've probably browsed through tons of options online. But let's be real. Not every product you see is as great as it looks, right? Today, I'm going to show you how to shop smart so you won't waste your time or money. Have you ever experienced this? You see something in the pictures, it looks amazing, but when it arrives, it's a completely different story. The quality's off, or it doesn't even work properly. Shopping online can feel like searching for hidden treasure, but sometimes that treasure turns into a disappointment. Luckily, you can still find awesome products if you know the tricks. Always check reviews, look at user-uploaded photos, and compare sellers. The key is balancing price and quality. Don't worry, I've already handpicked some of the best products for you. From cool gadgets to stylish home decor, everything you need is right here. So, if you want to score cool stuff at budget-friendly prices without the hassle,